To our top story this afternoon, this is the final week of the monsoon session of the parliament and there seems to be a first breakthrough in opposition's blockade. The opposition has decided to cooperate with the government over OBC bill in the parliament. Leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge, has said that they will support the bill. He has also added that OBC bill is in the interest of backward classes as well as in the interest of the country. However, the opposition is still adamant on Pegasus Snoop Gate. At least 15 opposition parties in presence of Rahul Gandhi need a meeting to chalk out the future course of action. Congress MP Manish Tiwari moves an adjournment notice in the lower house of the parliament over the Snoop Gate issue. Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh gave a 0-hour notice in Rajya Sabha over the heinous crimes with 9-year-old girl in Delhi. AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi gives adjournment notice over the Mahapanchayat held for aborting construction of Hajj House in Delhi's Dwarka. That's the latest coming in at the moment as far as the parliament is concerned. The monsoon session of the parliament underway at this point of time, the final week of the monsoon session right there. And a first breakthrough of sorts is coming in as far as the blockade of the opposition is concerned. Going ahead, 15 opposition parties going ahead and supporting the OBC bill right there. They've decided to cooperate with the government over the OBC bill. You have Mallikarjun Kharge, who has said that they are going to be supporting the bill, adding OBC bill is in the interest of backward classes as well as the interests of the country. Listen in to some reactions coming.
आधे से ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन इस देश में बैकवर्ड क्लासेस है। ये हम सबका फर्ज होता है कि जो कानून गरीबों के हित में आता है और बैकवर्ड क्लास के हित में आता है, हम सारे लोग समर्थन करेंगे। इसीलिए हम एक होकर इसको जल्द से जल्द पास करने के लिए तैयार हो गए।
Sending a very clear signal to the country that this government does not care about either democracy or parliament or, for that matter, the principle of accountability. And eventually, if the government continues to railroad parliament in this manner, people will have no option but to take to the streets.
We have already said, we have given suo motu statement, and the day one we are telling we are ready for other issues for the discussion. They are not allowing the... You see the tweet of Mr. Derek O'Brien, and he is all along telling that till 13 there is no discussion, there is no deliberation, there is no business. This is repeatedly they are telling. Is it the mistake of Prime Minister? And speaking irresponsibly has become the habit of opposition.
न ये सुनना चाहते हैं न सुनाना चाहते हैं, सिर्फ हंगामा मचाना चाहते हैं। सरकार तो अपना काम कर रही है, आप क्यों भाग रहे हैं, आप क्यों हंगामा मचा रहे हैं, आप क्यों पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर रहे हैं? और अब तो दिक्कत एक और है कि ये तो पूरे के पूरे सेशन को वॉश आउट करने की वॉशिंग मशीन लेके बैठे हुए हैं कि हम तो पूरे सेशन को जो है वॉश आउट करेंगे। आपने पहले दिन से कह दिया था, तो सरकार तो अपना काम कर रही है।
All right, that's the latest coming in right there. Opposition is blinking at the moment, but the ruckus still continues. There is some level of breakthrough that we're seeing in the opposition's blockade right there, and Paulomi will be able to walk our viewers better on this. Paulomi, we've seen a lot of blockade coming in, and briefly, at the moment, it looks like the opposition is all geared up to lift this blockade. Apologies, viewers, we re-established that connection right there to Paulomi, who's going to be joining us in just about a bit to get us all the latest coming in from the parliament. She's tracking this development very closely. For our viewers who have just tuned in, Leader of Opposition in Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge, has said that they are going to be supporting the bill. They also added OBC bill is in the interest of backward classes as well as the interests of the country. My colleague Akshita Nandgopal now is going to be explaining what the opposition is demanding at this point of time and what is the government saying too. Over to you, Akshita.
Let's explain to you exactly why the monsoon session has been seeing this deadlock between the opposition and the centre. What's the opposition demanding, or what's the government having to say about that? Well, the opposition is saying that there must be a detailed discussion on the Pegasus Snoop Gate issue. The government has made it very clear that this is a matter that's sub judice. It's being heard by the Supreme Court, and hence they are ready for a debate after that and on other issues as well. The opposition is demanding that the 3 farm laws over which protests are still happening be rolled back. The government is saying we are ready to discuss issues with the farm unions, but a rollback is not something that we're even going to consider. Another issue that the opposition has been raising is the rising fuel prices. They've been demanding answers from the government. The government's defense has been, in fact, world markets prices are rising, and also they've blamed the UPA fuel bonds. So they're saying that it's not our fault that prices are continuing to rise. The opposition wants a detailed discussion on COVID mismanagement, vaccine shortage. They're saying we need answers in the floor of the House. The government has said there's no question of a vaccine shortage and that the COVID debate is priority, not Pegasus. So they've agreed to a COVID debate, but the opposition is saying Pegasus first, and then we'll have a debate on coronavirus. So that's where the stalemate continues right now.
Poulomi Saha now joins us for the very latest on this. Poulomi, walk our viewers through all that is taking place as far as the parliament is concerned. The opposition has blinked definitely as far as the OBC bill is concerned. But what about their demands over the Pegasus Snoopgate? Will the centre agree to it?
No, the centre will not agree to debate on the issue of Pegasus Snoopgate. This has been a demand of the opposition since the start of this session, this monsoon session. But as far as the centre is concerned, they've made a statement. The IT minister has made a statement. The opposition can seek clarifications if they want on that statement. But as far as having a fully structured debate, discussion in either of the houses is concerned, the centre is unwilling to relent as far as that demand from the opposition is concerned, and vice versa. The opposition is unwilling to relent as far as their demand to have a discussion on that matter is concerned, which is why the Lok Sabha already has seen 2 adjournments. The first time it was adjourned till 11:30 a.m. this morning, then till about 12 noon. It remains to be seen if there is any sort of consensus built, like you said, as far as the OBC bill is concerned and the concerning constitutional amendment is concerned. On that, the opposition is willing to budge. But as far as any sort of other discussion is concerned, including the COVID discussion, which has been listed in the Lok Sabha since last week but hasn't happened, the opposition is unwilling to let the House function.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks so much, Poulomi, for getting us the latest developments as far as the Parliament storm is concerned, the Snoopgate showdown is concerned as well. We'll continue tracking this story with Poulomi in just about a bit.